Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm sorry that I haven't posted in a while, but today I got a video for you guys. I'm gonna be tinting my tail lights on my truck. I'm gonna be using this VHT. Most of you guys know what this is. It's for your to tint your tail lights. I'm gonna be tinting them today, so I get to bring you guys with and watch how I do it. So now I'm gonna start cleaning them with some Windex. I'm gonna spray them down. I'm gonna clean them out, get the bugs out. Now that I got them all cleaned up, I'm gonna start tinting them. Alright, now I'm gonna do the second coat. I already did 2 coats. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Oh yeah, I put a piece of tape right here because I don't want this to get tinted, because that's my reverse lights. On this one I didn't put tape on it. I didn't really care about this one. It looks darker on camera though. But they're coming out pretty nice though. I did 3 coats. I didn't want to do another one because I don't want to make them too dark and then you know, get pulled over. I'm gonna show you guys how it came out. It looks darker on camera though. Camera's not picking it up. All right, I'm gonna put them back, install them back to the truck. When you're doing projects and your friend pulls up in his new Beamer,
what's good, bro?
they look nice. Alright, I put the tail lights back on the truck, but holy cow, it's really hot out here. I've been sweating. I'm gonna show you the results, how it came out. It came out pretty nice with 3 layers of VHT. It looks darker on the camera, but this is the part where I put the tape. This is my reverse light, and the top one. I mean, they came out pretty nice. Comment below, see if what do you guys think about this new look. Remember, thanks for watching, and subscribe and hit the like button.